All right, Joshua. You gonna be a good boy with this bite?
I'm going to my sister got it along, right, Mommy? Because we like each other. Me and you got it along.
Are you being a good boy? Good boy. No more raspberries, right?
I'm going to get my seat first.
Calm down while you're eating, bud. Yeah.
I gotta hurry to the bathroom.
Okay, go ahead. Well, why don't you go quickly?
Can do a long drawing.
Okay. Well, right before I brought out the camera, he was doing Major Raspberry, so and getting green stuff everywhere. I was hoping to capture it on film, but oh my, I'm not going fast enough. Ah, Joshua. No, sir. Ah, stop. Yeah, now you have it all over your hands. You want to take another bite? Joshua!